Hi there! Today I'll show you how to create circular stretch effect in Photoshop. At first, we have to cut out the subject to another layer, which is I have been done to save your time. If you have no idea how to separate the subject, please check our previous tutorials to learn this technique. After you're done with the subject separation, use rectangular mercury tool and shortcut and make the line selection of the subject just like I did. Then put it in a new layer by Ctrl Command J. Move it on the side. We will take another sample of her face with this mentioned step. Move it to the middle of the first selection, which is layer 1. And merge them with Ctrl or Command E. Press Ctrl T and expand the layer 2 to cover the subject. Go to Filter, Distort, Polar Coordinate. Choose Rectangular to Polar. OK, put it under the subject layer. Press Ctrl or Command T to resize it, and move it to the middle of the subject. Then duplicate it and put it in the middle of the circle to fill the inside. Next, use lasso tool, arrow shortcut to select the upper hand of subject to remove the opposed circular. Press delete when you are done with the selection. Finally, create the shadow of the subject with brush tool, B shortcut, sharp round, hardness 0%. Ensure the foreground is black. Use Ctrl or Command T to resize it and move it below the subject. Reduce the opacity to 68% and enjoy the result. If you find this tutorial is helpful, please hit like and subscribe buttons, and you can enjoy our tutorials about Photoshop technique tips while learning. Free tutorials are launched day by day, so it will satisfy your needs in case you are interested in Photoshop. Please leave comments right below the video in case you have any questions. Thank you and see ya!